In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Microsoft Teams from your Windows PC in just a few simple steps. Uninstalling software can sometimes seem daunting, especially if you're not familiar with the steps involved. But don't worry, I'll guide you through it smoothly. First, let's start by accessing the Windows Settings menu. This is your central hub for managing your system's configurations and applications. To open the settings, you'll want to press the Windows key and the I key on your keyboard simultaneously. This shortcut is a quick and efficient way to access your settings without having to navigate through several menu layers. Once you've pressed these keys together, the Windows Settings window should pop up right on your screen. Once you have the Settings window open, you'll see various categories like System, Devices, and Network. But today, we're interested in the Apps section. So, go ahead and click on Apps. This is your go-to section when you want to manage applications installed on your computer, whether you're installing new ones or removing those you no longer need. After clicking Apps, you'll be taken to a new screen that shows another option called Installed Apps. This section provides a comprehensive list of all applications currently installed on your device. It organizes them so you can easily scroll through and locate the one you're interested in. So, let's find Microsoft Teams in this list. Now you'll want to scroll down through your list of installed applications until you locate Microsoft Teams. Depending on the number of apps you have, this might take a moment, but don't worry, it's there. Once you've found Microsoft Teams, look to the right-hand side of it, where you'll see 3 small dots lined up vertically. This is the Options menu for each application. Clicking on these 3 dots will reveal a drop-down menu with several choices. You'll want to select Uninstall from this menu. This action lets your computer know that you want to remove Microsoft Teams entirely from your system. But before it goes any further, your computer will prompt you to confirm that you indeed wish to uninstall the application. So, in this confirmation window, you'll need to click Uninstall once more. And there you have it. The uninstallation process will begin, taking just a few moments to complete, depending on your system. Once it's finished, Microsoft Teams will be removed from your set of installed applications, freeing up space and decluttering your menu. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully uninstalled Microsoft Teams. Remember, you can repeat these steps to uninstall other apps if needed. Thank you for watching, and as always, feel free to reach out if you have any questions or run into any issues along the way.